Now at 11, as we watch COVID cases increase in our communities, we're also taking a look at vaccinations. Right now, CDC data shows that nearly 58% of those are eligible to be vaccinated have received their COVID-19 vaccinations. Thank you for joining us. I'm Gabriela Mercurio. With Leon County under a high-risk ranking from the CDC when it comes to COVID-19, there's an even greater push to get more people vaccinated. ABC 27's Shanice Archer is taking a closer look at those efforts and why some in the African American community remain hesitant about getting those shots.
Florida A&M University serving an even greater purpose on Saturday, bringing health and wellness resources to African Americans on Tallahassee's South Side. The Stay Well Health Fair was a team effort with city leaders, community health organizations, and Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated. Cobb Health Institute playing a big role in the event as well. The group of researchers worked to make sure Black communities have proper healthcare resources. A major goal for the event to get people vaccinated or boosted. Dr. Andrea Frall is the Chief Medical Officer at Tallahassee Memorial Healthcare. She's seen how cases have shot back up and wants to make sure people understand the importance of being vaccinated.
We are in the red in Tallahassee, Leon County with the amount of COVID in the community.
Frall says Tallahassee has many neighborhoods with a high vulnerable population.
If you are unvaccinated, and you still have a 29% more chance of death compared to someone that is fully vaccinated with their boosters.
According to the CDC, 78% of the nation's population has received at least one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine. Here in Leon County, health professionals are pushing to get the African American community vaccinated. According to research from the Kaiser Foundation, which focuses on national health issues, in Florida, only 45% of African Americans have received at least one dose of the vaccine. That's 18% lower than the white population. Pamela Johnson is one of the event organizers. She says having the fair on FAMU's campus is bringing resources directly where it's needed.
We wanted it for ease of access, ease to get in, ease to get out.
While the COVID-19 vaccine has been available since 2021, CDC says African American communities are more hesitant for reasons including a lack of trust in health professionals, gaps in healthcare access, and lack of education on COVID-19. Johnson says that's why having events like the Stay Well Fair is so needed.
And this is a proactive way to not only protect our citizens, but protect our community.
In Tallahassee, Shanice Archer, ABC 27.
At the event, every child that received a dose of the COVID-19 vaccine also received a back-to-school backpack. There were also screens for hypertension. The American Heart Association says high blood pressure is the highest in African Americans compared to any other race.